Okay, this is automatic drawing and writing. Now, this is a bit of fun. To begin with, I would start off with drawing, doing automatic drawing, because it helps you to then move on to the actual writing aspect. So with automatic drawing, you just simply letting the pen just flow wherever you feel like. So it doesn't matter what you're doing. So you just, squiggles. And there's nothing specific that you're doing. You're just letting yourself just flow. There's like a sense of flow. And in this process, you're emptying your mind, so to say, and you're entering into flow. And there's no specific anything. And in the automatic drawing, you just let the pen just guide. Now in this state that you enter, this flow state, I suppose it's practice. So the more you just simply do this, and also you just, anything that enters your head, it doesn't matter what it is. And in this process of actually entering into this state, you enter into this type of zone. This is where spirit comes in and actually communicates through the hand, through the drawing, the writing. And just by entering into this, you can then start to ask questions. So I might say, what's the most important thing for me to know today? Now, I'm not really thinking what to write. It's just whatever. And it doesn't matter. Whatever enters your head, just write it down. And because there's no specific, this is how it should be. It's just, here we go. And you just keep writing. And it's this practice of entering into this zone, letting your pen just flow. And you can then you start to receive this type of spirit guidance, because you're entering into this environment, you're entering into within, and then there's the expression that comes out. Spirit, who shall come in here, enter within you, and you express from within to without. And there's that flow, and that flow of life. And so it's also, you can then, so this then brings off into other aspects of your life, through actions, activities, like what you say, like how you speak, how you interact with other people. And it's very, very, it's very simple, and it's very healthy, uplifting, fun process as well. And just to enter into this, and this is where we actually train ourselves to get into the zone. This is kind of where I started by accident with channeling, in effect, because I started drawing funny monsters. Let's just draw a random monster. I just felt like, let's draw a monster. And what happened, I just simply followed the pen wherever it felt like going, and I just enjoyed drawing these funny creature things, and I filled them with these strange patterns. So it's just all, and it gets you into like a state of focus. So you're just focusing, and this is what it was, just very simple, filling these strange creature things with all these different shapes and colours. Oh, not colours, but these like different shapes. There's different type of shading, and just doing this, it helped me to be able to focus. It helped me to enter into that state, that zone state, and eventually off into learning to channel, to actually verbally channel eventually. I'll do another video on that, on how to verbally channel. And this process is good fun, because you'll actually start to create some really striking, beautiful drawings with amazing messages. So there's that can come out of it. And before I started doing this, I never saw myself as a drawer. But on my channel, you can see the black and white art that I've started doing. And all that actually spanned out of all doing this. So as I was doing this, I then randomly started doing funny symbols. So it's like all these different symbols are just randomly started turning up as I empty my mind. And I don't know what it means, but these symbols, it's a reflection of the flow state. And then from there was a world that started coming out. This world then started speaking. It's got philosophy, it had a whole ethos, a whole culture in this world. There's like twin moons for some reason. I kept drawing that. I'm always drawing hills. It's quite similar to the Welsh environment, really beautiful, and people just doing very simple dress wear, very simple things. And this this is almost like an animal that actually it wants to come through you and speak out. So this is such a simple process, and it all just began with just doing your squiggles, doing just whatever you feel like doing. It doesn't matter, you just empty your head, there's nothing specific, and doing that, it gets you into the zone, into that flow, and you can then start to bring it into your life, where you actually start to tap into this other aspects of wisdom that actually is all around us and wants to come through and share the messages. And yeah, this is basically what I want to share on this. So all you need is a pen, pad, and get cracking. And on my next video, I think I will talk about how to verbally channel. So thank you very much.